Hey guys, Thrift Store Dave here. Excited because I was digging through my finds in the basement and realized there were a few things that I haven't opened to try to resell yet. So I wanted to open a couple junk bags that I bought a while ago and forgot about. They were $3 a piece. Let's waste no time, let's just get started. I know I can make more than $6 off of the things that I bought in here. So this one looks a little bracelet heavy. Obviously there's some broken parts too. But this is a very interesting bracelet. It has an anchor on it. And let's see if there's a signature on the back of it. Doesn't appear to. So this might just be some jewelry someone made, but I'll put it in the homework pile. This doesn't look like it's very valuable. It does say the Big Bamboo, so I'm gonna look this one up also and see if there's any value to that, since it was retail at one point somewhere. We'll get that later. We got a watch here. This is a watch of a butterfly. It has a W in there. I'm not sure exactly what brand it could be, but I'm gonna disassemble this in a little bit. And let's see, it says Watchitude. Okay, so I'm gonna do homework later, pause the video, and come back with what this might be worth or not worth. Some junk bracelets. Another watch that looks reasonably decent. Says Gracie Lynn. It's got some moving jewels inside. It does have an inexpensive wristband, so we'll do homework on this too. These are all new things to me, but that's the exciting part of this. You never know what you're gonna uncover. It looks like we have a charms bracelet here. It's got different Christmas or holiday presents around it. So we'll see if that has a name on it. And it does. SAQ. So we'll put that in the pile to do homework on. And then the rest of this is obviously pieces, some other pearl. This can go in a lot that I'm gonna eventually resell broken items from. Okay, got a couple other bracelets. All right, so overall, not super impressed with this lot, but there's a few things like this watch, and this bracelet, which might earn my money back. There is an interesting ring here. It is unsigned. Oh, no, it is signed. Here we go. What does it say? It says Disney. Ooh, this could be valuable. It's a Disney Pirates of the Caribbean ring. So I am gonna see what that could yield. All right, on to bag number 2. This one caught my attention more because of all the watches in there. My hope is just one watch might be overlooked by the person who assembled this bag, and then I'll be able to make money from that alone. So let's flip this open, and first thing we've got oh my gosh, a whole tangled mess here. This is a really cheap bracelet. We're gonna put that in a lot. Okay, watch here. It says remove stopper to activate time. That's good. That means it's unused. I don't have to worry about a new battery. And it says on the inside, okay, no brand that I can make out. All right, so might be good for a lot, might be good for a holiday themed lot. And we've got a interesting medallion here, not signed, but that might require some work to look at. Okay, this is a total mess. Okay, the things I really cared about. We got a watch here that's still running. That is optimistic. Good camo print. And China movement, plastic bezel, water resistant. Okay, so no brand, unfortunately, but it is in working condition. All right, another one here. This says Gossip. So that's a brand. Originally, they had put a decent price on it, so let's see what that could be worth. Put it in the homework pile. Moving along. This is a nice decorative one. ACT, Japan. So again, unbranded, might just have to go in a lot. And then lastly, we've got another holiday themed one with a snowman. And it's a Geneva though. So Genevas can go for some money. So another one meant for the homework pile. So to recap, we got a few things for the homework pile. Gonna pause the video, do a little homework with my laptop, and I will reconvene in a moment. All right, so I'm back having done some homework. Let's start with the Geneva Snowman watch. These are going anywhere between 5 and 20 or so. So let's say $10 conservatively. These gossip watches, same kind of idea. So about a $10 value if I can get it working. This watch was very interesting. Turns out it's a slap bracelet watch. So now I can read it very clearly, watchitude. And there are no butterfly pattern ones like this online. So I've got to do a little bit of guesswork as far as how I want to price this, because they can go for $5, they can go for 20. So that'd be nice if it went for 20. I'm going to estimate 10 just to simplify things. These Gracie Lynn watches also can go for about 8 to 10 bucks. This bracelet I learned, SAQ is a off-brand that feeds into Avon, so I don't think it's gonna have much value, unfortunately. Not a lot of them are selling. And then this looks to be turquoise. It's not marked sterling silver, so it's probably stainless steel or nickel. I'm still gonna list it because lots of jade pendants sell. Obviously there's very expensive ones. This would not be, but if I can get $5 for it, again, I would pay for one of the bags. So I'm gonna hold on to that. And then lastly, this ring was interesting. It says Disney on the back. There's all kinds of Pirates of the Caribbean rings, and so this might be one of them. I can't find any quite like it though. So to me, that is interesting and possibly exciting. It could be a rare one, it could be earlier, or it could be overlooked in garbage. But I'm gonna list it at an auction price just to see what it can potentially go for. So let's say conservatively 10, 10, 10, 5, 5, and maybe 5. So that's $45 for a $6 investment. So that's like 7 times what I paid for just these 2 bags of garbage. Plus I got a bunch of stuff that I'm gonna be able to put in a lot. And I'm gonna do some homework later on this bracelet. So thank you guys for watching. If there's any comments or ideas that you have about some of these items, and because I'm learning as I go with some of these pieces, please do comment on the video. Let me know what I've got. Let me know if you're interested in some of it. And as always, thanks for tuning in. If you do like these videos, please like them, subscribe, or tell friends of yours so I can keep doing this. Thanks again.